and fold your left leg in. And also right leg straight but loose, straight and loose. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, walk your hands forward, fold forward. First option. Second option, if you have half lotus, place your left heel on your right thigh, heels touching the lower belly, and go this way. So option 1 and 2. Let's stay here for 3 to 5. Long breathing. Inhale to slowly come back. Release. Other side. The option is just to fold the right leg or go all the way to half lotus. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, forward. 3 to 5, long breathing. Inhale to slowly come back. Exhale, release. Shake them out. Butterfly position. Shake your knee. Loosen them up. Long inhale. Long exhale. Inhale, spine tall. Exhale, grab your toes to fold forward with your spine straight, chest open. Butterfly forward fold, hold for 3 to 5. Long breathing. Inhale, coming back. Stretch out your right leg straight, maintain your left leg still folded. Inhale, lengthen. Grab your knee or shin, whatever you can, with your right hands on the right leg. And inhale, left arms up and over. Stay for 3 to 5. Long breathing. So your arms start open, the left arms open and reach up and over. So your palms end up facing down, the bicep right next to your ears. Yes, reaching over to your right side. Breathe deeply. Feeling good, stretch on the waist, torso. Inhale, arms up and back. Try to reach your left hands also to the right toes. Walk, walk, walk. Both the hands evenly. Forehead to your knee, shin. Breathe deeply. Long inhale. Long exhale. And inhale, slowly, gently coming back. Great stretch. Golden stretch for the side or side organs. Now switch side. Inhale first. Set your left arms on the left shin. Inhale, right arms. You can start from the bottom, so it's easier. Just from the bottom, reach, inhale out and over. Breathe deeply. Neck relax. Three. Two. Nice. One. Inhale to come back. Exhale, lower down. This time right hands also join towards the left ankle or your shin. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, belly to your thigh, forehead to knee, shin. Keep breathing. Inhale to slowly, gently come back. Now both the legs straight. Open. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, forward as far as you can go and hold it there for 3 to 5 long breathing. You can also hold on to your shin or your ankle. Keep breathing. Inhale to come back. Take your own time. Exhale, bring your feet together, shake them out.